Hey guys, my name is Deep and I'm a DJ and a tech enthusiast. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Apart from DJing and tech, there's one more thing that I really enjoy, and that is DIY projects. And so for a very long time I had this one project that I wanted to do, and that is to have a minimalist TV setup at my home. So today's video is not going to be about teaching, it's just for you guys to sit back and relax and enjoy. If you have some popcorn, maybe grab that, because this video is about me building a minimalist TV setup. Let's go. so there you have it. That is my new minimal TV setup. I want to know your thoughts. How much would you rate this out of 10? I would give it a 8 or a 7 because I know I can do something much better. But I want to know your thoughts. Please let me know in the comment section below. I want to know what do you think about this setup. Rate it out of 10. Well, I wanted to do something different. I was tired of doing all these teaching related videos, so I wanted to do something different. That's why I made this video today. I want to know your thoughts. What do you think? Should I make such videos in the future? If you guys think I should, please let me know in the comments so that I can plan more such setup related videos. This is a minimal TV setup. Maybe I can do like a minimal desk setup or a minimal studio design or something like that. Please let me know in the comments if you think I should make more videos like this one. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video today. If you guys did, please don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. And while you're at it, it will be nice if you can click on that subscribe button and click on that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. That's been it. My name is Deep and I will see you guys in the next one. Happy to help.